Taiwanese chicken popcorn, a very popular street food snack from Taiwan. Known for its distinct salt and pepper sprinkle, in this video I'm going to share how to recreate Taiwan's most popular salty crispy chicken from the comforts of your own kitchen. Let's get started. Hi guys, I'm Shanaz and welcome to Naz It Up. Taiwanese chicken popcorns are super easy to make, and I will have to give you guys a heads up that it's highly addictive. Let's get the chicken ready first. I'm using chicken thighs because thighs compared to breasts will make the chicken popcorn juicier. I'm trimming the fat from the chicken and creating bite-sized pieces here. So wash my hands properly and now I'm going to marinate the chicken. Let's start with garlic. I'm using garlic powder, but you can definitely use fresh garlic if you want. Next, I'm adding some ground white pepper. White pepper has a more earthy aroma. Compared to black pepper, white pepper has a more pronounced flavor. My next ingredient is some soy sauce. So I'm using light soy sauce. Soy sauce is made from fermented soybeans, as we all know, and this will help bring this burst of umami in our chicken popcorn. I also have some Chinese 5-spice. You can prepare this 5-spice at home. I'm using a store-bought variety. So 5-spice fundamentally is just 5 spices or more Asian spices combined together, like fennel, cloves, cinnamon, ground, and this is very easily available in any Asian grocery store. I have a few more ingredients to go, some apple cider vinegar, and finally some sea salt. Mix everything well, allowing the ingredients to marinate the chicken for around 30 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to prepare the Jiao, which loosely translates to peppery salt. This salt and pepper mix is what makes Taiwanese chicken popcorn so distinct from other fried chicken out there. First, I'm going to add some Sichuan peppercorns. This beautiful looking pinkish red pepper is slightly spicy, tangy, and creates this beautiful numbing sensation on the tongue. I just love it. Toast well, bring your flame to medium if required. You don't want to burn your spices. Next, I'm adding some white peppercorns. Again, toast well and transfer to a spice or coffee grinder and blend. Next, I'm toasting some salt just to draw out the moisture from the salt. Add the salt to the ground pepper, and the salt and pepper mix is ready. Let's go back to the marinated chicken pieces. Crack an egg and mix well. Finally, I'm using coarse sweet potato starch to coat the chicken pieces. At the grocery store, make sure to buy the thicker version and not the regular version of sweet potato starch. If you look closely, thick sweet potato starch has bigger granules, which will make the chicken popcorn even more crispy. This is done, and it's time to fry the chicken pieces. So it's time to cook the chicken. I'm pouring some oil into my cast iron skillet. As soon as the temperature reaches around 350 degrees Fahrenheit, I'm gently throwing in the chicken. Try not to overcrowd the chicken pieces. Frying in batches is highly recommended. Unlike other types of fried chicken coated with all-purpose flour, Taiwanese chicken popcorns should not ideally get too brown when fried because the chicken pieces have been coated with potato starch, which is gluten-free. Transfer them onto a rack, placed on a tray lined with napkins to absorb the excess oil. This will also help keep the chicken pieces crispy while I'm frying the second batch of chicken. Finally, I'm frying some Thai basil leaves. Time to fry some Thai basil leaves. These tend to splatter a lot, so make sure you have a lid close by. 1, 2, 3, and go. And it's smelling lovely. Crispy, translucent fried basil leaves. This smells so good right now. I think I should have skimmed the oil, but that's something you guys can keep in mind, I suppose. I recommend you guys serve this hot. The peppery salt sprinkle goes on top. You can also sprinkle some cayenne or paprika, but this is completely optional. Crispy basil on top. A nice drink on the side would be great. Let's give this a try. I want to take a bite.
Alright, I'm gonna grab one of these beautiful looking pieces.
Want to take a bite? Yeah.
What crunch!
I love these basil leaves.
So soft from the inside. This is perfect. And crunchy. The seasoning is amazing.
This is bomb. Love it. I'm gonna dip it more.
This video was so much fun making because now I get to eat everything. That's the best part about these videos, guys. And we're happy to share. You just have to come over once things open up.
Love it. How about some drink?
Oh yeah, I can't stop eating this, so yeah. This is so good. Such a good combination.
And piece of chicken popcorn. Love it. That's a big bite.
You have to take the biggest bites to get the full effect.
Alright, this was fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're gonna finish this in no time.
Oh yeah.
And I've promised Emmer to make it tomorrow as well. So, I mean, I promise I will stay healthy for the coming week, but yeah, whatever.
Weekend, right? You need your fix on the weekend.
Yeah. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.